Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vansh and I am a qualified chartered accountant cleared in November 24 attempt. So today in this video, we are going to talk about what is my strategy and what should be your approach toward the subject IBS, that is paper number 6 in the CA final curriculum. So let's get started. Firstly, talking about the basics of this exam, it is your paper number 6, that is the last paper of your examination, and it is open book exam. You can carry as much as books you can in the exam, as I have also carried one suitcase full of books and two handbags in the examination hall. And it is a 4 hours exam in which you have to solve 4 case studies out of 5 case studies. It simply means that you have 1 hour for each case study in the exam. Now we'll talk about what should we carry for this paper number 6 IBS to the examination hall. I strongly prefer to all of you that you should carry ICI study material for each and every subject in the examination hall, because in any way it will going to help you. SPOM material also that was there. Okay, now we will talk about what you should carry apart from ICI's study material. We will go subject wise. So for FR I have carried Atul Agarwal sir question bank, because I have prepared from that book, so I have carried for paper number 6. And for AFM I have carried both concept plus question bank. For audit I have carried all concept and question bank. For DT also concept plus question bank. For IDT I have only carried chart book plus question bank. Shubham Singhal sir's law book, Sankalp Kansiya sir's cost module that was there, but I have not prepared it well. So now we will talk about my strategy and my approach toward this paper number 6 IBS. Talking about the time allocation, I have not allocated even a single day apart from that 1 day leave before exam for this IBS subject. And secondly, talking about what I have referred, I have only done RTP, MTP, past year paper for May 24, RTP, MTP for November 24, and one or two case studies from the ICI official question booklet for paper number 6. Apart from that, I have watched 3 to 4 videos of CA Shubham Singhal sir for law, and not done anything for cost. So now we will discuss about your strategy and your approach. What should be your approach for this paper number 6 IBS? So there are two scenarios. First is, if you have enough time for this paper number 6 IBS, as you are already done with the 1 or 2 revisions of your core subject, and second case, do not have enough time for this paper number 6. So in first case, I will recommend you to allocate 4 to 5 days from this March or April, where you are comfortable for this paper number 6. And if you do not have time, then also I should recommend you that you should allocate 1 to 2 days for this paper number 6. So if you are allocating 4 to 5 days for this IBS subject, then I will recommend you should do RTP, MTP and PYP that is available for your attempt. And if you are May 24 attempt student, you should do RTP, MTP of both May 24 and November 24, and PYP also for May 24 and November 24. And for your attempt also, for your attempt, the RTP, MTP that will be issued, or if it is already issued on the ICA portal, then you should do that. Apart from that, if you have done nicely the cost for your SPOM exam, then you should revise it. And if you have not done nicely, then you should skip it. And for law, as I know that for SPOM exam we have to do law thoroughly, so you should also revise this law subject for around 1 day. Basically all the concepts that going through the concept that where the thing is. Actually, Shubham Singhal sir's books also contains the indexes that you should read 5 to 7 times, so that you will remember in the exam that which thing is where in that book. Basically what I have told you, that RTP, MTP, all the 3 attempts, and PYP for the previous 2 attempts, and plus law. But if cost you have done nicely, then do it, or otherwise skip it. This you have to do in 4 to 5 days. And if you have only 1 to 2 days, then you will do that RTP, MTP and PYP only. RTP, MTP and PYP, you should skip that other subjects, because you are already doing that 5 subjects. That is enough for passing this exam. So now in the last part of this video, we are going to talk about my review about the November 24 IBS paper. So definitely the paper was tough plus lengthy, as 90% of the students are not able to complete it in that 4 hours. And talking about my strategy, I'm not able to complete it because it was too lengthy. But yes, I can tell you 1 to 2 things that will help you to ace this exam. Firstly, for each case study, you have 1 hour, but you should set a target around 35 to 45 minutes to complete that case study, so that you have some buffer time so that you can utilize it where you need it. Okay, so firstly, you should set target, take a watch on the clock that you how much time you are taking for one case study. And also, if you are thinking that you are able to do each and every question or each and everything from looking into the books, that is not possible, my dear. Books will help only 50% of the time, but you have to do something from your own. If you invest so much of time from looking into books, then copying it to answer sheet, that it will kill your lot of time. So I will recommend that 50% books, you should prefer the book if you know that on which page that concept was. But if you don't know or you are dicey, then it will kill your time a lot. So keep your minds on and do the answer what you know, or you're 60% or 70% sure about. Okay, and yes, this was all about this IBS paper. So one last thing that I want to tell you, this is not for the IBS exam but for the whole CA final journey, or so CA final exams. You should try to complete each and every questions, or you should complete whole the paper, because if you have completed the whole paper, then it is not difficult to secure 40 to 50 marks. But if you have completed only 60-70% paper, then it is difficult. So you should try to complete whole the paper, but if it is not possible or it is too much difficult, then it is okay, but you should try. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like to the video, subscribe to the channel, and share to the relevant person. And if you need any more help, you can connect me or text me on this number that is there. Yes, you can WhatsApp or Telegram me. And thank you, and bye bye.